Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Reason HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Reason HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in reasonpayroll.com and make a search. You will end up on the official page of Reason HR's account. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Employee Login. On the next page, enter your username and tap on Next. Enter your password and click on Next once again. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot My Password option. This is how you can log into your Reason HR's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.